Morning students, open your EVS textbook and third class 16th lesson, page number 69. 16th lesson, how do we travel? Read along with me students. We cannot stay all the time at the one place. We have to visit other places for many reasons, such as to get education, to earn many are for fun activities. So we have to travel to other places. Besides, we have many relatives and friends who live at far off places. We always like to meet our relatives and friends. We have to find some ways to reach their homes. Indian Railways. We can use bicycles, rickshaws, tangas, carts, scooters, and to travel long distance we can use cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes, or ships. These are called vehicles. We cannot use the same type of vehicles to go to all places. Some vehicles can move on land, some in air, and some on water. The means of transport can be divided into three parts: land transport, air transport, and water transport. We cannot use the same type of transport to go to all places. The choice will depend upon the distance to be traveled and the amount of money we want to spend. Land transport. In the village, people either walk, use a bullock cart or a bicycle to move from one place to another. Many villages have now fine roads which can connect the villages to nearby towns and cities. These roads are suitable for fast moving vehicles, towns, big cities, and towns. See more of cars, two-wheelers, buses, trucks, amongst other modes of transport for the movement of people from one place to another. Trucks are the main vehicles used for transporting goods from one part of the country to another by road. India has a large railway network that connects all parts of the country. Railways are a very comfortable means of transport for long distance travel. It is a faster and cheaper mode of transport. However, railway tracks cannot be laid in areas where it is very mountains or marshy. Trams were in service in the older times. Kolkata is perhaps the only city in India now to run a tram service. In big cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, and Delhi, local trains run They are built for short distance in Delhi and Kolkata. These are called metro because they run underground. Metro trains are very fast and reduce the vehicular traffic on roads. The first ever metro in India was the Kolkata Metro, which is being trucks a train run since 1984. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the main means of air transport. They cover long distance in a short time. Air travel is, however, more expensive in comparison to other means of transport. Airports are the place where aeroplanes land and take off. Water transport. Transport through water began with rafts and wooden boats. In modern times, ships, steamers, and motor boats and means of water transport. Boats, ferries, and motor boats are used for traveling short distance. Ships can cover long distance and also carry passengers from one country to another. Cargo ships carry thousands of tons of goods. Oil tankers are the ships used to transport mineral oil. Other means of transport. The animal like bullocks, camel, and horses are commonly used as means of transport in villages, deserts, and mountains. In some places, even elephants are used as means of transport. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. The animal provides a slow means of transport. The rules of road safety. In small town, we walk to go to school or to the market or to the houses of our friends and relatives. Fast vehicles like scooters and cars move on the road. We must protect ourselves from such fast moving vehicles. We can do it by following the rules of road safety. Always walk on the left side on the road. Use footpaths for walking. For crossing the road, use zebra crossing. Before crossing, see that the road is clear. Do not get in or get off a moving vehicle. Do not lean out of the window of a car or a bus. Do not stand near the door inside the bus. At level crossing, never cross the tracks when the gates are closed. No horn.